Begin with a brief introduction, setting the tone for the experience. Encourage participants to find a comfortable and quiet space where they can fully engage in the process. Emphasize the importance of relaxation and an open mind. Breathwork and relaxation. Guide participants through deep breathing exercises to promote relaxation and centering. Focus on calming the mind and releasing tension from the body, creating a receptive state for the celestial energies. Visualization of cosmic surroundings. Lead participants in a visualization exercise to imagine themselves surrounded by the vastness of the cosmos. Picture the stars, planets, and galaxies shining brilliantly overhead. Encourage a sense of awe and wonder at the celestial beauty. Connection with celestial beings. Invite participants to visualize connecting with specific celestial bodies, such as the radiant energy of the sun, the calming influence of the moon, or the transformative power of distant stars. Emphasize the unique qualities and healing energies associated with each celestial presence. Energy absorption. Guide participants in opening themselves to receive the healing energies emanating from the celestial bodies. Encourage a sense of receptivity and gratitude for the cosmic forces contributing to their well-being. Chakra alignment. Integrate chakra alignment into the experience by focusing on the energy centers within the body. Visualize the celestial light aligning and balancing each chakra, promoting a harmonious flow of energy. Healing light infusion. Imagine the celestial light cascading down onto the participants, infusing them with rejuvenating and healing energy. Encourage a sense of being cleansed and revitalized by the cosmic light. Affirmations and positive intentions. Integrate positive affirmations and intentions into the experience. Participants can express their personal goals for healing, growth, or transformation, harnessing the cosmic energy to support these aspirations. Closing and grounding. Gradually bring participants back to their physical surroundings. Guide them through grounding exercises to reconnect with the present moment. Encourage a sense of gratitude for the cosmic experience and the transformative energies received. Reflection and integration. Allow a moment for participants to reflect on their experience. Provide guidance on how they can integrate the positive energies and insights gained from the celestial light bath into their daily lives. By carefully guiding participants through these steps, the cosmic revival, the celestial light bath experience aims to offer a unique and rejuvenating journey that combines visualization, energy work, and positive intention setting within the cosmic realm.